Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'll be repairing this 2017 Ford F-250. This is an all aluminum truck. This repair is going to take place on the passenger side front door. You can see one of the dents here right above me. That's the larger dent, and there are two more, so I'll pan the camera around so you can see those. And here's a better view of the damage. That's the larger of the three dents. Zoom in here a little closer and focus in. You can see got some paint damage here. He's going to touch those two areas up. Also, there's another smaller area, camera will focus right there. Has a little scuff in it. And then the last dent on this door, I believe, is up here towards the front bottom of the door. Alrighty, let's get this. A nice little fact here before I do this repair. On this door, this is a laminated glass. See right there? So this glass is set up much like your windshield is. There's two sheets of glass with a film in between them, and that is to kind of keep it together whenever it is shattered from an impact of some sorts. So you have to be very cautious when working around this type glass. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the door panel off of this door to get access to those dents. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have this damage repaired. Again, we have the scuff. Let me focus in on it. Right here, that he's going to have focus. There we go, focus. He's going to have those two places touched up, but the panel is flat. As you can see, the other damage is completely gone. Gone. This one down here. There's one somewhere right in there, it's gone. And then, where's our scratch? There it is. There's our scratch. Thanks for watching the repair of this 2017 F-250. If I can help you with your paintless dent repair needs, you can find me on the web at kentsdents.com, or you can call me at 731-267-9708. And thanks for watching.